What are the best March Madness TV deals, from soundbars to serious savings, 4K, LED, you name it? It's all coming up right here. It's March Madness 2019. Don't know what your NCAA bracket looks like, but more importantly, if you don't care for March Madness and you just want to upgrade your TV, now is the perfect time. And if you are a basketball fan, I am telling you that game will look so much better on the improvements that I've seen made toward televisions. If you've never seen me before, I actually work on television. You might know me from your ABC, NBC, or CBS local TV station. I'm the YouTube deal guy, Matt Granite. I unbox the biggest deals, and the deals that I found today actually echo many of the Black Friday price points, probably within about 5%. So we're going to discuss the TV deals. There's also a soundbar deal before we get to the TV deals. And for those of you that have never seen me before, I live and breathe at the Consumer Electronics Show every year, all of these great audio deals. In fact, pardon the grainy footage, but this was me at CES 2019 testing audio products. I also host a TV show for Amazon, and they had me basically break down some of the best Amazon Alexa voice service equipped soundbars, and I had a lot of fun making my way from point A to point B. Now, the deals that I'm going to show you are, if you expand the video description box right under me, located there, there's links. And the deal that I want to flag for you is an amazing Yamaha soundbar. I did the full unboxing. It's very hard to demonstrate an audio test where I'm playing a speaker and you're hearing it through my microphone and I'm telling you how great it is. So I'll just discuss the features and then why this is so heavily reduced, and you can read the reviews online. This is an open box Yamaha 2.1 channel Ultra HD Bluetooth soundbar. Now, it's showing up as certified refurbished because this is actually a surplus of units that were at the Consumer Electronics Show. I think there were a couple of thousand units that were tied to a demonstration, and then people were supposed to go up and buy, and they didn't sell all of the refurbished, or I should say the new units at that $249 price. So they are now reduced by $150, but since this is a deal as a certified Yamaha refurbished product, you're actually getting a brand new warranty. So they are unused, but the box has possibly been opened or reboxed. And this is a great way to not only use the clear voice functionality from Yamaha, which means you can actually hear your movies, your TV shows, and your sports, which are more clear and instantly audible, but this rebuilds kind of like a 3D experience where your ears are tricked into believing they're hearing 3D sound, even though the speakers are in front of you. And you're hearing some incredible subwoofers with these dual built-in subwoofers, and then obviously all the audio and the tweeters and everything. It also has the Amazon Alexa voice service compatibility built in via Bluetooth. So this is great. It's wall mountable. It's a really nice unit. And for the savings, if you are in the market for a soundbar, the reason I also think soundbars are essential before we get to the TV deals, it doesn't matter what beautiful brand name new TV you have. Because the TVs are being built so thin, we're unfortunately compromising on sound left, right, and center. So it doesn't matter what TV you have. There's no way you'll buy a new TV and sit back and think to yourself, wow, the sound out of here is mind-blowing. That doesn't happen. It's picture quality, and then that's why I think a soundbar is great. You can score this while it's still in stock. I don't know how much longer this is going to be around, but it is a great grab. Under $100 right now with free delivery. The free delivery is also key because this is a long 30-inch plus soundbar. So that free shipping is awesome. Love the delivery. All right. Also, with free delivery, you're going to see right now a complete breakdown of some awesome March Madness TV deals. I'm going to give it to Best Buy on this. They're actually the most competitive right now when it comes to television deals. They're also selling some of their TV deals on Amazon. That's actually a thing. So I was, as some of you know, I host a TV show for Amazon, and we do have TV deals on the show, and some of them are actually coming to you from Best Buy. So let's go directly to the source where you can actually score a 55-inch Samsung for under $500. There are some 50-inch Samsungs, depending on which class you choose, and the 2160p Smart 4K TVs are all phenomenal. Some prices are too low to actually show you online, so they're making you go and see the price in your cart, which means they've dipped below the MSRP. Awesome to see. You get savings of $70, 80, past 100, really depending on what model you buy and the time you are watching this video. So you can score those TV deals right now. Just keep an eye on the processor when you are shopping, because if you are looking to watch a lot of fast-paced basketball sports, if you're a big football fan, we all know that lag, sometimes that pixelation that you see, will occur on many of the inferior processors. So the hertz you see tied to whether it's a 4K TV or even some of the 1080p TVs, which are reduced. I would still go with 4K, but 1080p TVs are virtually disposable right now in terms of prices. Just keep an eye on the processors. That is my big takeaway. If you'd like to see a more in-depth unboxing of some of the television that I've done there on this channel, and more importantly, if you do have questions tied to savings for March Madness or beyond, I'd love to know also what teams you're supporting, who you think's gonna win, or who's in your bracket. Feel free to leave me a comment. All right, thank you for watching. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, I've got a huge roundup of deals right around the corner. This is what you can do. Just click on my oversized head right here. That'll subscribe you to the channel. If you need help turning on your notifications, you can click up here, and that last big roundup of deals I did, right over here.